All right, guys. Historic surgery in Jamaica. Doctors at VJH, that's Victoria Jubilee Hospital, have performed the first ever blood transfusion operation on an unborn child. That is incredible.
Actually, thought that was impossible.
No. Can you believe that?
Yeah. I know one of the doctors very well.
Do you? Which one of them?
Dr. Stevens, the anesthesiologist.
Oh, so that's Cleon Kelly, Noreen Stevens. Yeah. Why is that name familiar?
Dr.
Hayden
Dr.
Hamill,
Bettina Pike.
Leroy Campbell, and Ethan Dixon. Oh, yes,
Congrats.
and Bettina Pike.
Congrats.
Specialists at the maternal hospital last Thursday pulled off a possibly life-saving blood transfusion operation on a fetus which was being harmed by its mother's body. The transfusion was done with the needle placed in the blood vessel of the fetus without puncturing the amniotic sac.
Incredible.
That is incredible.
First time ever in Jamaica. And they said they won't know until a few weeks if all is well, as the fetus will take time to adjust to the blood.
Right.
And they said if all goes well, then the pregnancy can be prolonged for another 6 weeks, so the baby can be delivered. So we pray that will happen and everything will be all right.
That's incredible.
Yeah,
well
amazing.
done, docs.
Fantastic.
Got some great doctors in this country.
All right.
All right.
Margaret Dawarka, second oldest woman in Jamaica, unfortunately, has passed on. That was from Wednesday, July 5, 115 years old. Belfield, Penn, St. Mary. She was born April 1, 1902. Incredible.
Yeah.
Incredible. So there you go.
Okay, so we go with the next one? In Texas? No?
We don't go with the next one.
We don't go to the next one. Let's
It's
go
our
with birthdays. What's today's
yeah,
day?
I have, today is
24th
24th
of July.
of
July done, people. People.
Almost.
It's how it goes.
Very
Sheffield's
great.
birthday was when? Saturday.
Sheffield?
My ears cock a blonde for talk loud.
Sheffield.
Chef, happy belated, or as
Ever
Never
never.
would say, you can't say happy belated, you have to say belated happy,
Yeah,
right?
that's right.
So belated happy, Chef. We hope you had a fantastic day. You know we love you.
Yeah. Now,
Who's this?
Tomorrow is my boy Donaldson's birthday. There she is. She works at NCB Knutsford Boulevard. Greeting coming from your mom, Merlene, and your son, Deraje, I think. D-E-R-A-J-E. What do you think, Deraje? Yeah. So, my boy, have a great day today. You probably have to go to work. But you still can't.
The birthday is tomorrow, you said?
Tomorrow, yeah, tomorrow.
Make up your mind.
So you can do and go work tomorrow. If you tell them from today, say, here's your birthday, and you don't plan to come to work.
Okay.
And you don't plan to come
Good
to
morning, Camille Beckford. Graduated yesterday from UCC. Congratulations to you. Happy birthday to everybody who celebrates today. July 24, last week of July, week done. Summer soon done. August soon start. All these things. Happy birthday, everybody.
All these things?
Yes, and more. And more.
We know the key to unity of all people is in the dream that you had so long ago that lives in all of the hearts of people who believe in unity. We'll make the dream become a reality. I know we will. Because our hearts tell us so.